Okay, so we had a fun weekend out here at Sand Hollow. I'm teaching Dani how to drive the car. But in this particular footage here, we're going to go over the drone crashes. The drone just had a miserable weekend out there at Sand Hollow. So this first one, it's just following me over to the trash basically. And I'm getting to learn the drone and the car and how they work together and what I can do and what I can't do. But the drone definitely has a tough weekend. There's 2 crashes here at the end of here, and then when me and Mark and Dani are out at doing a wall, we do one of the walls, and the drone didn't. I'm not sure what happened. I'll try and explain it when you get to it. So keep watching here, and you'll see the drone crash into the tree here in just a few minutes. Alright, here we go. We're going to hit the tree. Boom. It's the tree. It's over. Thank God it just busted a couple of props, and that was about it. But drone had a tough weekend. Alright, check out this next one because we're getting ready to climb some rocks, and the drone doesn't fare so well out there. So here's Mark out, and he's in his 4-seater Turbo S. It's brand new. This car is just super cool. It's got all kinds of money wrapped up in this thing. Just gorgeous car. And he doesn't want to hurt it, man. So, but that's a nice easy hit. This little hill right here, I'm going to do a video because I want to show you guys some putting these cars in 4-wheel drive, what to do here. But here we go, getting ready to go up the hill here. See me and Dani. Saw Dani waving at you there a second ago. And I get up here, and I just don't know what happens, man. I think that was all she wrote. So it went underneath the car, and again, it didn't do much damage. It just hurt the props and stuff like that. But down. So you can see here, we pick up the drone, and it didn't get hurt too bad. A lot of fun though, and you can see us here, and
oh, man, I can't believe I don't
Mark gets the drone back up, and
you don't keep them in that box. I
Okay, so that was awesome, and we had a great time out there. Thanks for watching. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that bell. Thank you guys, man. We sure appreciate it. We had a lot of fun out there. The drone definitely took a beating, but it survived, and we got it home and just a couple new props.